What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I bought in the month of November, which is of course this month's year. So I went to Rossmann and I picked up a few items. So we do have some skincare, we have makeup, we have some other bits as well. So in this video, I'm going to share that with you, and I have to start right about now because we don't want this video to be way too long. Now let's start with makeup, and let's start with Essence actually, shall we? Yeah, let's start with Essence Cosmetics. Now from there I picked up this eyeshadow palette called From Santa with Love, and it looks like this. Now I have to say that the packaging I like, the packaging of this I like, and of course it is in the form of an envelope, and when you open it, it comes like that. This one goes down, and of course we have the product inside there. So I think this is a cool idea, the packaging actually something different from them. I don't think I have any eyeshadow that is similar to this kind of packaging. No, this is very different and I like this. So in the shadow they don't look too bad, in my opinion. And of course I need to play with the palette, you know, do a review, proper review, swatch it and test it on the eyes, and then of course let you guys know how the shadow looks like. But yeah, so far I think I like what I see just by the eye. Of course we need to test it out. So that's the first product from Essence. And then I picked up a lip gloss called Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss in the shade 21 Deep Red Love. Now this one here, I have bought it before, I've used it before and I like it, so I went ahead and repurchased it. So it is a repurchase, of course. It looks like this. Beautiful shade, so nice. It's not very sticky, which I like it because I don't like sticky lip glosses. I don't know why, but I just don't like sticky lip glosses. Not good feeling, you know what I mean? But this, not so sticky. And that's how the color looks like. The color is beautiful, I think, looks beautiful. What do you guys think of that? But yeah, so that is product from Essence. Let me just get rid of that on my arm, of course. Now from Essence again, we have a few more product here. I picked up a lash and brow gel, which looks like this. Like this one here. Now this one I've used it only once and I don't know what I'm supposed to be getting from this, so I'm still in the process of do I like it or not. I will update you guys on this one, but yeah, that's that. And then I also picked up this well loved mascara. If you've been following me long enough, you already know which one from Essence I love, and that is Volume Stylist 18-hour lash extension, which is of course this one here, because I go through mine so quick and I just need another one, you know, every I don't know, every month maybe. But yeah, I go through them so quick. And yeah, now the last product I picked from Essence is this Brighten Up banana powder, which is this one here. And with this one again, I have showed this one in my videos before, and I used it once or twice I believe, and my sister took that away. She really liked it. So yeah, I went ahead and bought one for myself. It's a very, very nice powder. I'll just quickly swatch it here. So that's how it looks like on the arm swatched, like that. Now what I do with this is I just go ahead and brighten up under my eyes. Sometimes I do that. Let me just quickly show you how I use it. So all you need is just a little bit, not so much, just a tiny bit, and just go under the eye here and just dab, you know. So you get that beautiful brighten up under the eye, which I like. So this is really good. Since I bought it, I've been using it a lot, and I really like it so far. So that is awesome. I believe that's all the product I picked from Essence. Now let's move on to Catrice Cosmetics. From there I went ahead and bought this collection. It is their limited edition, of course, called Glitterholic, and it is recently new actually, I believe. So they came up with a highlighter trio, I believe 2 eyeshadow palettes and 3 different lipsticks. So I went ahead and picked up a lipstick, an eyeshadow palette and a highlighter trio. So here's how the product looks like. So that's the palette, that's how it looks like. The packaging looks awesome, black and pink glitter there. If you love glitter, I think you're gonna love this one. So that's that. And when we open it, of course we get the product looking like that. So that's how the eyeshadow looks like. I think they look so beautiful, the colors. That middle shade there, oh, I cannot wait to try that. So that's the eyeshadow palette. They had another palette which I did not really pick because I was, you know, drawn towards this one here. And then we have the highlighter trio, which we get 3 in there, and that's how the packaging looks like. Stunning, stunning. And the eyeshadows, and the highlighters, of course, look like that. Look at that. 3 there, different, you know, colors to pick from, which I think is awesome. So definitely a review is coming on this collection. And then we have a lipstick. This one is in the shade C02 Dazzle Drama, which the packaging looks like this. The whole entire vibe is, of course, glitterholic. That's how it looks like. When you open it, we do have the Catrice logo there on the top, and that's how it looks like. I think it looks beautiful. The color actually is so good for the holidays, you know, like even for Christmas Day, pop this one on, I think it will look very stunning. So yeah, that's gorgeous. And I love the packaging too, you know. You still get this Catrice logo at the bottom here, but you get this beautiful, you know, black, you know, finish at the top, which looks beautiful. So yeah, that is the Catrice Cosmetics limited edition glitterholic collection. So I have 3 of them here. Definitely a review is coming soon on those 3 products. Leave a comment below if you want to see that, but yeah, a review will be up very, very soon. What else do we have here makeup wise? We have something from River de Loop, and I picked 2 products from there, which is of course their collection called the Best Of. I do have a shimmer kit here, which I believe it is highlighters, and that's how the outside looks like. The packaging looks like this. When you open it, with this one here we don't have a mirror, but that is how they look like. So you get 4 different shades. This one is very golden, looking at this, very, very golden. But yeah, anyway, those 4 there. Yeah, again, another product that I need to try, I need to play with. And then we also get this lip kit, which is a liquid lipstick and a lip liner. So it's like a combo. Looks like this, and that is actually the color of the lipstick, this burgundy color here. Let me quickly open it and show you how it looks like. So we have a liquid lipstick, which is of course this one here. The color looks beautiful, and then we have the lip liner, a matching lip liner to go with that. That's how that looks like. So yeah, let me quickly swatch this. This is the beauty. Wow, the color looks nice, by the way. The color of the liquid lipstick, look at that. That looks gorgeous. The color looks nice. Okay, I'm not mad at that. So yeah, that is that. Again, a review will be up very, very, very soon, because of course I need to taste these products and let you guys know how they, you know, how they perform. Now that was that. Now let's move on to skincare. And if you guys been following me like on my Instagram, you know that I have been using these products here, and we are gonna talk about makeup wipes first. Now from Nivea, of course I use this a lot. These makeup wipes, I use them, I go through them a lot, and I really love them. I love the way they feel on the skin when you use them, and they get rid of the makeup so beautifully, and they smell lovely. They are not drying, and I love that. So yeah, they became a favorite of mine, and I keep repurchasing them over and over and over. So yeah, definitely that is a good product. Alongside that, I also use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, which are these ones here. And again, I love this. They do an awesome job, you know, taking care of my makeup and you know, just removing them. I also use the Neutrogena Skin Detox 3-in-1 micellar water, which is of course this one here. So I go between the 3, you know, rotate just to, you know, for removing my makeup, which I love. So definitely good skincare stuff. which I love. None of these products are sponsored by any of these brands that I'm mentioning here, so keep that in mind. I bought these with my own coins. And next up, I bought these two products here from Garnier. This one is their eye mask, of course. This one here, and this one is for the face. It is a night mask. So yeah, I really want to try these two. I have no idea how they perform, but I really want to give them a go. And yeah, first time, you know, buying them. I usually use the you know, the Neutrogena one. I use those ones a lot, but this will be my first time trying this, and I'm, you know, looking forward to see what they will give as a result. So that is that. And skincare, we are still in skincare. Yes, we are still in skincare. Oh, I almost forgot this makeup wipes, you guys. So you guys know how much I use the other two makeup wipes. Now I bought this one here in addition to that, just to try. This one is from Altera, you know, cosmetics, and I use their makeup products. I do have their lipsticks, I do have their mascara, I believe. I use them and I really like them, but I've never tried their makeup wipes, so I went ahead and picked up this one here just to try to see on how this performs. And this one is Bio aloe vera, which sounds really good. So yeah, those will give them a go and see how they perform. If I like them, you know, I might go back and, you know, keep buying them just like the other ones. Already moving on. Now we have these two products here. Again, I don't think I have tried anything from this brand before, so this is the first time trying it, and it is the Olay what is it, complete night cream and day cream. So I have two of them here. They look like this. So we have a day cream and we have a night cream as well. Let me just quickly open them. The bottle looks interesting. Looks like this. Okay. Oh, it's not sealed. I was expecting it to be sealed, but it's not. Okay. Doesn't smell too bad, actually. Smells fresh. Yeah, okay. And this one is what? This one is the night one. So night cream. This will be very nice. You know, wash your face, get it cleaned, and then put some night cream on. Gel, why not? And this one is the daytime one. Okay, smells not too bad though. Smells not too bad. Okay, so definitely those will be something that I need to try and see, you know, how it's going to perform, and we shall report the results later on. All right, was that all skincare? I think yes, all that was skincare. All right. Oh, and I almost forgot, you guys. I almost forgot about the lipstick. Oh, I have to go back to makeup now. I forgot about this lipstick. So this one is Sophie X makeup revolution, and of course Rossmann, they do you know, they do sell makeup revolution. Now these lipsticks here, I did purchase 3 of them. I mean, she came up with 3. I did purchase all of them and I used them a lot, and one of them I actually ran out, completely finished, and that was Syrup, which is this one here. So I went ahead and bought another one from Rossmann, of course, and that's how this shade looks like. I've done a video, you know, dedicated to these 3 lipsticks only. I'm going to link that below if you want to see on how those looks like. But yeah, because this shade is so good, I used it a lot and I just used it completely, so I went ahead and bought another one. But yeah, I totally forgot about this one here to include, you know, on the makeup section. But yeah, that's that Sophie X makeup revolution in the shade Syrup. Very, very beautiful nude color. Now I'm going to move on to some lotions. I know this is random, but I'm going to show them to you because it's something that I bought, and I thought, why not throw it in here. Now I bought some lotions, you guys, and I've been loving this from Dove. I don't know, do you guys, you know, love Dove product? I've been using them and they smell so good. So I have this one here with coconut, and I have this one here with green tea. So I really like this, and they smell quite lovely. So yeah, picked up 2 lotion there, and I even matched the coconut one with the deodorant, you guys. That's when you know it's deep. I matched it. Look at that. So we have the matching deodorant here going on here. But yeah, that's that. I think it's cute that we have a matching product here, and I use them actually, and they smell so lovely. I mean, it's coconut. How can you go wrong, you know? So yeah, I use those as a combo. And then I picked a deodorant. Of course, this one is original, and it looks like this. So I went ahead and picked up this one as well. Let's move on to hair. Of course, let's move on to shampoo first. I have 3 products here. Shampoo and conditioner, which of course is from Sios, if that's how you pronounce it. So I do have the shampoo here, which is this one here. Went ahead and picked up this. We use this and it smells lovely as well. This one of course helps, you know, to for your hair to stay strong. Of course, this is wig, but you know, underneath that is hair. It helps for hair to stay strong. So yeah, I use this one. And also we have the conditioner, which of course these 2 conditioners here as well. So yeah, those 2 here. So 3 products, hair sorted, you know, for your hair, shampoo and conditioner. And they are big bottles, 500 ml. That's a lot. Alright, so that's for the hair. Now for the body, for shower, I have these products. Now with these products, you guys, I bought this one first to try, and this smells delicious, you guys. Oh, it smells delicious, so good that I went ahead back to the shop and I bought not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4. Look at that. Who did that? Who did that? Yeah, they smell good, but they're all different flavors anyway. This one is of course coconut water with mango. This one here is so good flavors, you guys. They smell delicious. And then we have this one here, yogurt and fruit. I mean, they're all written in German, of course, but that's what it is. Yogurt and yogurt in German. What did I trying to say? Yogurt and fruit. Oh my gosh. Here we go. And this one here we have rainbow cake. This smells delicious. This one here, rainbow cake. Hello, rainbow cake. Oh, that smells so good, so good. Yeah, so I had to do that because the flavors are so delicious, and you know, I just couldn't help it, you know. And this one is lavender. Absolutely gorgeous smell. So yeah, she went ahead and bought all this for what? Just for, you know, for the body, because they smell lovely. And afterwards, you know, after you had a shower and you even sit, you can, you know, you can still smell the flavor because it's just so beautiful. So yeah, and I almost forgot one thing, which of course supposed to be on the lotion section, and that is this one here again from Isana, and this is coconut and vanilla flavor, you guys. It is a lotion, of course. It is a limited edition, which looks like this. Now this smells yummy. I don't know what is it with this brand here, but you guys, their stuff smells delicious. So yeah, this is a body lotion. It's actually written in English here. We have a body lotion right there. Smells nice. So definitely looks like I'm sorted here when it comes to lotion, because I have to go through all of these. That's a lot, by the way. So yeah, and I believe that is everything that I bought for myself for this month. I know I bought other things from Rossmann, but those weren't for me. It was for other people, so those won't be shown in this video. But for me, what I bought, these are pretty much it from Rossmann. Wow, that was a lot of product to go through. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for staying all the way to the end, and let me know down below what you think of this haul. Do you like it? And yeah, lots of love. Thank you so much. I hope to catch you in my next one. Have a good one and take care for now. Bye.